joyful Christmas celebration. It was a crisp winter morning in the small town of Snowflake where the Winters family lived. The air was filled with the scent of freshly baked gingerbread, and the sound of children's laughter echoed through the streets. In the Winters household, the excitement for Christmas was palpable. The family, consisting of one mother, one father, and three boys and two girls, had been eagerly waiting this special time of year. The eldest child, 10-year-old Emma, had been helping her mother, Sarah, decorate the house with twinkling lights and colorful ornaments. She loved the way the house transformed into a winter wonderland filled with the magic of the season. The middle children, 8-year-old Jack and 6-year-old Lime, were busy making homemade Christmas cards for their grandparents and neighbors. They carefully selected the perfect colors and designs, determined to create the most beautiful cards. The youngest, 4-year-old twins, Lily and Noah, were the most excited of all. They couldn't wait to see the Christmas tree with its sparkling lights and shiny baubles. Every day, they would beg their father, Michael, to let them help with the decorating. One evening, as the family gathered around the dinner table, Sarah announced that they would be going to the local Christmas tree farm the next day to pick out the perfect tree. The children's eyes lit up with joy, and they could hardly contain their excitement. They could already imagine the sweet scent of the pine needles and the twinkling lights that would adorn the tree. The next morning, the Winters family bundled up in their warmest coats and hats and headed to the tree farm. As they walked through the rows of towering evergreens, the children's laughter and giggles filled the air. Emma and Jack took the lead, carefully inspecting each tree, searching for the one that was just right. Lime and Lily held hands, skipping along the snowy path while Noah trailed behind, his eyes wide with wonder. Finally, they found the perfect tree, a tall, lush fir with branches that seemed to reach up to the sky. The children cheered with delight, and Michael carefully cut it down and loaded it onto the car. Back at home, the family worked together to set up the tree and decorate it with all of their favorite ornaments. Emma and Sarah hung the delicate glass balls, while Jack and Lime carefully placed the twinkling lights. Lily and Noah added the finishing touches, carefully hanging the handmade ornaments they had made at school. As the sun began to set, the family gathered around the tree, admiring their handiwork. The room was filled with the warm glow of the lights, and the children couldn't help but giggle with excitement. The next few days were a whirlwind of holiday preparations. The children helped their mother bake cookies and pies, and they even made homemade wrapping paper for their gifts. On Christmas Eve, the family gathered around the fireplace, sipping hot cocoa and listening to their father read the classic story of The Night Before Christmas. The children snuggled close, their eyes growing heavy as the story unfolded. As the clock struck midnight, the children awoke to the sound of jingle bells and the pitter-patter of reindeer hooves on the roof. They rushed to the living room where a magnificent Christmas tree stood, adorned with twinkling lights and shimmering ornaments. Under the tree, a pile of brightly wrapped presents awaited them. The children squealed with delight, tearing into the packages with unbridled enthusiasm. They found everything from new toys and books to warm winter clothes and cozy slippers. As the sun rose on Christmas morning, the Winters family gathered around the table for a delicious breakfast of pancakes and fresh fruit. They shared stories and laughter, reveling in the joy of the season. Throughout the day, the children played with their new toys while their parents enjoyed the peace and quiet of the holiday. In the evening, the family bundled up and went for a walk through the snowy streets, admiring the twinkling lights and festive decorations. As they returned home, the children snuggled up on the couch, their eyes heavy with sleep. Sarah and Michael smiled, grateful for the love and laughter that filled their home. In the days that followed, the Winters family continued to celebrate the season, hosting a Christmas party for their friends and neighbors.